the last class, we discussed that the derivative of the function at a point gives the value of the slope of the tangent drawn to the curve at that point. And today we will take up a few questions. Yes, the first question is, find the equation of tangent line to the curve y equals x square minus 2x plus 7, which is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equals to 0. Yes, let's first understand the statement of the question. Find the equation of tangent line to this curve. Yes, let this be the curve. At this point, tangent is drawn. So the point of contact is P, H, K. I want to find the equation of this tangent, and it is given that this tangent is parallel to the line whose equation is 2x minus y plus 9 equals to 0. So this tangent line is parallel to this line. So I need to find the equation of this tangent line. Right? Now tangent is a line, and we know that in order to write the equation of a line, we need to know two things. First, the slope, and then a point. So we will try to find the slope of the tangent line and a point on the tangent. Right? Yes. Let P, H, K be the point of contact. As tangent is parallel to the line, we know that when two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. Now tangent is parallel to this line. So do you agree that slope of the tangent should be equal to the slope of the line? Slope of the tangent is denoted by mt. This should be equal to slope of this line. Yes. In class 11th, we learned that if the equation of the line is this, then its slope is given by minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. That is minus a over b. So here coefficient of x is 2. So minus 2 over coefficient of y, which is minus 1. It's 2. So slope of the tangent is 2. So now we know the slope of the tangent. So in order to write the equation of the tangent, I need to find this point. Right? Now, from the study of derivatives, we know that slope of the tangent at any point on the curve is equal to the derivative of the function at that point P, H, K. Now equation of the curve is this. In order to find out dy by dx, I'll differentiate both sides with respect to x. So I'll get dy by dx 2x minus 2. Value of the derivative at the point of contact is 2h minus 2. Replace x with h. Now, by this relation, slope of the tangent is equal to dy by dx at p, h, k. So, slope of the tangent will be equal to 2h minus 2. And we have obtained the slope of the tangent as 2. So I'll get 2h minus 2 is equal to 2. So from here, h is equal to 2. Right? Now, as P, H, K is a point of contact, so it is the point which is common to both tangent and the curve. So H, K will lie on the curve. So it will satisfy the equation of the curve. So P, H, K will satisfy this equation. So I'll get replace y with k and x with h. I'll get k equals h square minus 2h plus 7. Now, value of h is 2. So, on putting h equals to 2, we get k equals 7. So, the point of contact is 2, 7 and slope of the tangent was 2. So, now we know a point on the line and its slope. So, can we write its equation? Yes. Equation of the line is given by y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. Here y1 is 7 and x1 is 2 and slope is 2. So I'll get y minus 7 equals 2 into x minus 2. On simplification, I'll get the equation of the tangent as 2x minus y plus 3 equals to 0. Let's take another question. Find the point on the curve x square over 9 plus y square over 16 equals to 1 at which tangent is parallel to x-axis. Yes, we have to find out those points on this curve at which the tangent drawn is parallel to x-axis, right? So I need to find out the coordinates of the point. So let the point on the curve be P, H, K at which tangent is parallel to x-axis. Now look here, I need to find out the value of H and the value of K. So I need to find out two unknowns. So that means I need two equations, and two equations means I need two conditions. Yes, as P, H, K lies on the curve, so it will satisfy the equation of the curve. So h, k will satisfy this equation. So I'll get h square over 9 plus k square over 16 equals to 1. Right? This is the first equation. Now I want a second equation, and for that I need one more condition. And yes, that condition is given in the question. Tangent is parallel to the x-axis. Yes, when a line is parallel to x-axis, what can you say about its slope? Yes, when a line is parallel to x-axis, then its slope is 0. So here, tangent at P, H, K is parallel to x-axis. So slope of the tangent is equal to 0. And from the study of derivatives, we know that slope of the tangent is given by derivative of the function at that point. So, derivative of the function at the point P, H, K is 0. This is our second relation. So, dy by dx at h, k is 0. Now we will find dy by dx at h, k. Now this is the equation of the curve. I want dy by dx, so I'll differentiate both sides with respect to x. Here I'll get 2x over 9 plus 2y over 16 into dy by dx is equal to 0. From here, dy by dx will be minus 16x over 9y. Value of the derivative at the point of contact P, H, K will be equal to minus 16h over 9k. Replace x with h and y with k. So, by second relation, value of derivative at h, k is 0. So, we will get minus 16h over 9k is equal to 0. And this will imply h is 0. Right? Now, I want the value of k. By equation 1, we have h square over 9 plus k square over 16 is equal to 1. So here I'll put the value of h. So I'll get 0 over 9 because h is 0 plus k square over 16 is equal to 1. This would imply k square over 16 is 1. So k square is 16 and that will give you k equals plus minus 4. So Points are P, H, comma K. H is 0 and K is plus minus 4. So there are 2 points 0, 4 and 0, minus 4 at which tangent is parallel to x-axis. Let's take another question. Find the equation of normal to the curve which passes through the point 1, 2. Yes, this is the equation of the curve. We are to find out the equation of normal, and normal is passing through the point 1, 2, right? So let this be the curve whose equation is x square equals to 4y. Let P, H, K be the point of contact. At this point, let this line be the tangent and this be the normal. I need to find out the equation of this normal. Right? Now please note here, normal passes through the point 1, 2, but this 1, 2 cannot be the point of contact because point of contact also lies on the curve. But 1, 2 does not satisfy the equation of the curve, because if I'll put x equal to 1, left hand side will be 1 square, that is 1, right hand side will be 8. So left hand side and right hand side are not equal, so 1, 2 does not lie on the curve, so it cannot be the point of contact, right? So normal passes through the point 1, 2. So 1, 2 will be a point other than this point of contact, right? Let point of contact be P, H, K, this point at which tangent is drawn. And through this point, we have drawn a normal which passes through the point 1, 2. Now P, H, K lies on the curve. So it will satisfy the equation of the curve. So I'll get h square is equal to 4k. First equation. Right? We know that slope of the normal is equal to minus 1 over dy by dx at P, H, K. So I need to find out the value of the derivative. So I'll differentiate the equation of the curve with respect to x. I'll get 2x equals 4 dy by dx. So from here, dy by dx will be x by 2. So dy by dx at P, H, K will be h by 2. Now, from the second relation, slope of the normal will be minus 1 over h by 2. That is minus 2 by h. Right? Now, this is a point on the normal and the slope of the normal is this. Can we write the equation of the normal? Yes. Equation of the normal is given by y minus y1 equals slope of the normal into x minus x1. Here, y1 will be k and x1 will be h. So equation of the normal will be y minus k equals minus 2 over h. Slope of the normal is minus 2 over h into x minus h. Now according to the question, normal passes through the point 1, 2. So this point should satisfy the equation of the normal. So in this equation, I'll put x equal to 1 and y equals to 2. So I'll get 2 minus k equals minus 2 by h into 1 minus h. Right? Now, this was our first equation and this is our next equation. So now we have to solve these two equations. So from here, minus k will be minus 2 by h into 1 minus h. Right? So value of k will be 2 plus 2 over h into 1 minus h. And from first relation, k is equal to h square by 4. So third equation will become h square over 4 equals 2 plus 2 over h into 1 minus h. On simplification, I'll get 2h plus 2 minus 2h over h. This will get cancelled out. So I'll get h cube is equal to 8, and this will imply h is equal to 2. Now, putting the value of h equals to 2 in this relation, I'll get k equals 4 over 4, that is 1. So h comma k is 2 comma 1. Right? Now, slope of the normal was minus 2 over h and h is 2. So I'll get slope of the normal is minus 1. So now we know the slope of the normal and we also know point on the normal. So can you write the equation? Yes. It will be y minus y1, that is y minus 1 equals slope, which is minus 1, into x minus x1, that is 2. So I'll get my y minus 1 equals minus x plus 2, that is x plus y equals 3. This is the equation of the normal which passes through the point 1, 2.